Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Recently I did a video where I talk about the fact that Finidi George should be given a free hand for his backroom staff selection. This was because when information filtered out that Finidi George do not want to work with, allegedly, do not want to work with Amokachi, Daniel Amokachi and Daniel Amonike, that he preferred foreign assistance. I fully endorsed that. I fully supported it if you watch that video. And I said that one of the reasons I gave was because these are the people that contested for the position with him. To avoid any question of sabotage and suspicion and what have you, let Finidi George choose his assistants. And if he did not want to pick Amokachi or Amonike as assistant, they should allow him be, so that when he wins, he take all the glory. When he loses, he has no one to blame but himself. And now the NFF, or the Nigerian Football Federation, has officially unveiled Finidi, and they also unveiled Amokachi, among others, as the backroom staff. Now, was Amokachi imposed, or it was the choice of Finidi? Did NFF impose Amokachi on Finidi, or Finidi chose him? That is a question that should be asked. Why I say this is because you can see the report where Victor Ikpeba was warning Amokachi to know that Finidi George is the boss, and saying that they don't want any chaos in the Eagles backroom and the Eagles coaching crew. They don't want any chaos in the Super Eagles over disagreements between the coaching crew. So he was sounding a warning to Amokachi that he should know that Finidi George is the boss. Now, that makes me to be curious for Ikpeba to say something like that, because if Amokachi was really the choice of Finidi, Amokachi didn't need to be advised like that. That's my own take on this. Because if you follow the report attributed to Victor Ikpeba is saying that they don't want the repeat of the chaos that characterized the relationship between Austin Eguavoen, when he was made the coach and Amonike was assisting him. Ikpeba is alleging that there was chaos. There was chaos among the coaching crew. And when there is chaos among the coaching crew, it means there was chaos in the Super Eagles. He said that so that there wouldn't be a repeat of that. So that is a very unhealthy thing to hear. So I just hope that Amokachi was not imposed, that it was Finidi that chose him. But if the NFF, as his employers, say that this is who he should work with among others, and he accepted it, whatever comes out of this, NFF should bear the blame too if it doesn't work out. If they didn't give him free hand to choose who to assist him. Now, another curious thing that I discovered was the report or the X message by Sasu Obayowana, who is a well-known sports commentator and author. He alleges that Finidi George was only given 1-year contract. But me, I consider it disrespectful. If you know that Finidi George is good enough to take Super Eagles to the next level, you don't need to give him a 1-year contract. Giving him 1-year contract means you don't have confidence in him. So why don't you go the whole hog and hire a foreign coach if that is what will make you happy? That is how they mismanage some of these things. At the end of the day, what they intend to do now is they can, even after Finidi George qualify for the World Cup, they will dump him. Nigeria has a history of dumping local coaches after they help in qualifying for World Cup. And Nigeria has always paid a price for it. If you know that Finidi George is good enough to take you to the World Cup, he should be good enough for you to give him a contract that will make him comfortable and not put him under undue pressure of 1-year contract. And this is what Obayowana wrote on his X handle. He said, "Wait a minute. At Finidi George FG was only given 1-year contract by the NFF to manage the Nigeria Super Eagles. Is this a joke or what?" That is the question I'm also asking. Is this a joke or what? We know what Super Eagles mean to Nigerians. These people should not be toying with the emotion of Nigerians, because qualifying for the World Cup is a big deal for Nigerians, and doing well in the World Cup is a big deal. There will be financial reward in it. There will be emotional reward for Nigerians in it if we do well. For us to do well, you must be able to hire a coach you trust, a coach that will not put under undue pressure by giving him only 1-year contract. We know that in football, a coach is as good as his last match, and he could be sacked at any time. But that doesn't mean that all the coaches in the world are giving 1-year contract because they could be sacked at any time. No. But when you give a coach an extended contract, it gives him confidence that you also have confidence in his ability to do the job. So it is really surprising that NFF, the best they could think about is to give Finidi George 1-year contract. I see this 1-year contract as merely being recruited as a sole administrator, the kind of thing they will do in local government election in Nigeria, where they will appoint sole administrator until the local government election is held. That's what it is. They want to test him whether he can qualify them for World Cup. At this level of football development and what the football can bring to our economy, we shouldn't be playing kalo. Sort of, that's a local balance for gambling with something like Super Eagles of Nigeria. You'll be able to give confidence to the coach. Finidi George, this is his first time of handling the national team. But he has proven himself in the local league. He has done well with Enyimba and the other club in Bayelsa and all that. He has done well as a coach in the country. This is the first time he's going to be tested at the national level. But if you chose him ahead of others that had experience with the national team, because by choosing Finidi George, you are telling us that he is better than Amunike. Amunike has coached under 17 with fantastic resume from that. And he has assisted at the senior level to Eguavo. Amokachi was assistant to Stephen Okechukwu. So he has these are guys that have experience at the national level, and you pass over them and feel that Finidi is the best. Why don't you encourage him by giving him the kind of contract you would have given to a Portuguese, to somebody from Netherlands or whatever? Why don't you do that? But all the same, I wish Finidi luck, and I do hope that he qualifies Nigeria to the World Cup, because with all the hardship that the APC administration has put this country, football is one of the ways that Nigerians could be able to at least have hope in their country, in the unity of their country, because there is nothing that brings this country together like the Super Eagles of Nigeria. And if our leaders, especially those who manage the NFF, including the Minister of Sports, understand the import of the unity that Super Eagles bring on board in Nigeria's quest for nationhood, they shouldn't be playing games with the hiring of the coaching crew. They should be able to put the people they thought have the capacity and the competency to be able to deliver what is expected. All the same, like I said, I wish them luck, but they should have done better in the contract to Finidi George, and also there shouldn't have been any imposition, if they are aware, in Finidi George choosing his backroom staff. That's my take. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.